Banner Children's, we've got pediatric care covered for Arizona families.
So during the volleyball experience in high school, we participated in weight training in the summer, and with such the extensive heat, you'd see kids drop down in the middle of the track and be really exhausted, and you didn't know why.
Many urgent cares and some general practice offices will just offer summer specials where you can pay $15, $25 and get sports clearance.
I think there is a danger because you could have a health problem that you're not aware of.
Banner and actually the American Academy of Pediatrics and pediatric providers generally don't feel that it is safe to simply do a check-the-box sports physical. We worry about the major things that make the news, where the kids have a fatal incident on the field in the heat because of an undiagnosed heart problem. If you're just doing that where you're spending maybe 5 or 10 minutes with a professional that you've never met before, that doesn't know your health history, you're not going to catch some of the really big stuff like a congenital heart defect or a hereditary heart arrhythmia, and those visits are generally going to be just kind of pop in, you fill out the paperwork, somebody measures the child, and then someone does an exam, and the thoroughness of the exam varies literally from person to person and what training they've had.
These physical exams are definitely a nuisance. We'd get the paper probably a month in advance, and then a week prior to when it was due, we were like, oh crap, we gotta get that done.
Planning in advance, knowing, you know what, this happens every year, my kid wants to play sports, I'm going to make sure that I'm making them as successful as possible for that project. Banner recommends that you have that annual well-child exam. The good news is insurance is considered that preventive care, and that is something that is covered and provided by all insurances at this point, thanks to the federal laws. If you come in for your comprehensive well visit, we'll give you sports clearance. You don't need a separate sports physical if you are getting annual well visits, because we'll cover everything the sports physical covers and then some.
I've learned that they're very comprehensive, and you should definitely go in to see the doctor.
It also allows us to provide comprehensive care and allow us to catch things early and make sure that those kids are the healthiest athletes they can be.